Alright, today we're going to be doing a little brake change on a RAD Power Wagon. So what you're going to need is new brakes. I got these on Amazon. It's like 12 bucks. You're going to need a Allen wrench. Okay, first thing you're going to do is going to loosen these two bolts for the brakes. Bolts, there's one on the top up here, which I've taken off, and then I'm taking off the bottom one down here. As the bottom one. Okay, so down there, take that bolt off. Once the brake is loose, just pick it up, spin it around. You'll see a little pin there. All you need to do is take a pair of pliers and flatten it out and pull that pin out, releasing the brake inside, the brake pads inside. Cotter pin is out. Then you can just take your brakes and just kind of slide it out. And here you have your brake pads and the little spring inside, and your new one is going to be a replacement of all those parts again. Alright, so what I did was I just put in the new brake pads. So basically you have your brake pads on the sides and you have the little spring clip in the middle. You slip it in, you put the cotter pin back in, and then I used a pair of pliers to bend it. The next step is just to remount this. So once you've reattached those bolts, the last thing to do is kind of give it a spin, obviously, and test it. So I'm applying the brakes. Stops. You know, it's normal to hear a little bit of squeaking and rubbing. If it's really loud, you can adjust these two bolts at the top and the bottom. You can also play with the tightening of the calipers. That should work, but according to the website, you should have a little bit of rub, which was normal, and after about 25 miles that's going to go away. For the rear brakes, it's the same thing. There's two bolts you take off right here, and same procedure. Take this thing out, straighten the cotter pin, pull that out, put the new brakes in, put the cotter pack back in, bend it, and re-bolt, and you're set.